It's Chase with Snow Performance here, and in today's video we're taking a look at the billet aluminum water methanol Barb style boost cooler rings. The boost cooler rings mount in line with your cold side intake piping, providing a secure and attractive way to cool your boosted air charge. The boost cooler rings are designed to use silicone couplers to add these in line with your charge pipe. No welding is needed, making installation quick and simple. Simply add your nozzles in the 1/8 NPT ports, placed every 90 degrees for the best distribution possible. The Barb water meth ring is anodized in black for extra protection. And the boost cooler rings are available in 4 different sizes. We have 2.5 inch, 3 inch, 3.5 inch, and 4 inch. And for more information, please visit snowperformance.net or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for choosing Snow Performance, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more weekly videos.